Kinging it. Rule your own world.
You got enough leg room in there? Well, you have, Jess.
I'm fine.
How's your leg?
You're going to be alright, Big.
Well, will I just have to pull the chair like mega forward?
The wheel web's up.
Here we go.
You got a licence, son?
I have got a I'm not insured though, am I?
No.
Not yet.
Well, not yet, but come on. We'll give it a go. It's only up the road.
What do you think of the car?
I'm surprised actually. For 600 quid, it's not bad.
Absolute steal, right?
The tyres are a bit bold and stuff, but for the
Teddy, son.
Teddy, mate.
4 new tyres, mate.
Mate. That's gone down, isn't it? I'll tell you what I think about the car now, boy.
He knows nothing about mechanics.
I'll tell you what I think now.
He's like, pop the hood. He can't even find the lever. This is what it looks like when someone who knows nothing looks at an engine. Ready?
Wow.
You probably know more than Will, don't you?
Everyone here knows more than Will.
I don't know anything about cars.
We're in trouble here, guys, because neither of us know anything.
I'm telling you, we need to sit down with your brother and spend like a day or two, mate, just literally going through it with him.
It's going to take a bit longer than that,
literally taking notes.
You know, we're going to make friends with loads of mechanics, didn't we?
Yeah, but we can't rely on that. Sometimes it's going to be us, isn't it?
Yeah, it will. I mean, I've got a insurance, but I'm
that ain't going to cover us that far.
And know how to change, like...
That's a bit leaky.
Well, show us your little sponsor Thule bags.
You got to brand it, Jess. Where's your logo? There we go.
These are from Thule. Thank you so much for giving them to us for the race.
Send you the bill, lads.
So much. Right then, fellas. See you in June.
Ta-da now. Going to be in the newspaper. So that was the team. We had a quick little meet up with them yesterday. Today we're back at it with some admin. But yeah, we're going to have a phone call now with, is it the Gem?
A local newspaper called the Gem.
Just before you start, and then hopefully we'll be able to follow you and do something during it.
Oh, brilliant. Yeah, that'll be great.
Just popped to Asda because Amy found the cheesecake recipe. Ended up spending 25 quid, didn't we?
Oh, mate, we should have just bought one. Because it's vegan, it was quite expensive. But we were like, dates, really, do we need dates? So we got raisins because they were cheaper.
Oh, you didn't tell me that bit.
And then we were like, coconut oil, it probably doesn't need that, so we'll just leave that. But what we did get, what are they called? Cream caramels. Creme caramel.
Amy's seen this challenge online where you're supposed to try and get that in your gob in one mouthful. And this is probably going to go horribly wrong, but we're going to film it anyway. Get your little top, babes.
It's like summer but winter. It's like a knitted summer top.
That's how big it is compared to an iPhone 6.
What, like down the hatch in one, is it?
You have to go...
Inhale it.
You have to go... Okay, this is the one, Aim. Yeah, they sound minging.
It's in my lung. Is it ours? Yay! On in! So today, oh shit, me overnight oats. We are on our way to go and see Phil and Gary of Specialist Cars UK. So you remember a while ago we did a video for them. They've got like a really luxury car garage.
Special cars, aren't they?
They're very special. They're more special than Ferranda, babes. So we're going in there, we're going to chat to them to see if they want to put a little sponsor on the car. Also, let them know what happened this morning, Craig.
First of all, we made the front page of the paper.
Say what?
Front page of the Gem. I used to deliver the Gem back in the day. I used to have to deliver 800 papers for about £4.
Oh no.
Now I'm on the front cover. So
Started
from the bottom, now we're here.
And also our passports are back. Yes! Uzbekistan visas have been approved.
That means we did it right then, so
Yeah.
that's brilliant.
Well, hopefully. We haven't checked them yet.
So do you think we've got enough time to do the next one before we go to Bali? Like, do you think we've got time to send it off?
Yeah, we have to go up, haven't we? We got to do Iran and Russia. So we have to go up to London. So maybe
Okay.
we go before we go to Bali.
Yeah, that's a good idea actually. So we're booking our flight today to Bali.
Yes!
So it's a great day, even though it's like rubbish weather. It's a Thursday. We're just loving life, aren't we, Craig?
We're having a great time. Even though we were supposed to be at this meeting at 10 and Amy decided to wake up at like 1:45.
Well, you know. Yeah. Will you buy me a cake?
No!
I think I fancy that one for the next Mongol Rally. Craig, what are you saying?
That's Alex's car,
Might be. Goes from that. Oh, Ferranda babes, you do look lush though, babes.
Always a pleasure seeing Gary and Phil. I'm buzzing for this now.
Yeah, so like we went in there, we were after sponsorship, you know, we wanted to put a specialist car sticker on the side of our car, but they've gone one step further. So they're actually gonna sort of give us everything we need for this rally car-wise. Plus, like, they're gonna look over the car, they're gonna get it set, ready with like bigger tyres and just everything we need, isn't it?
It's gonna be like a soft version of Pimp My Ride, basically. The guys are like, leave it with us, we'll make sure you get to the finish line, which is amazing.
Yeah.
Because like, you know, I think, you know, we probably are still gonna break down, but at least, you know, we'll be better prepared.
Yeah, they're gonna like set the structure a bit better and, you know, what is it?
If there's any welding or like...
Yeah, like suspension and stuff, they're gonna make sure it's all okay.
Make sure the metal's good.
Gonna give us like spare wheels. Shut up.
Thanks, lads. We'll
Thanks
see
so
you
much,
soon.
guys, I know.
I'm 90% sure that they weren't joking.
No, they weren't, honestly.
But Gary and Phil were like, we just had a Part X in. It's a Mercedes E-Class convertible. And they were like, oh, if it wasn't a 1.2 litre car you had to drive, we would have given you that to do the rally in.
And they were like, yeah, you just could have brought it back and we just could have sold it.
But yeah, it's a two-seater and it was obviously way too fast. But
Such a shame.
We'll take it for the summer though when we come back.
Because we're all like proper famous now, we're like on our local newspaper, like the front page and that, we're just gonna go and buy one. See if you recognise this, Craig. He probably does know who we are though, don't you reckon?
I used to work in here, it used to be called Bargain Booze.
Ta-da! Take one of these, should we, Craig? What are they laughing at though? KINGINGIT tackle the Mongol Rally. How do you feel about being like sincerely famous?
German is a free paper.
Oh, that is a shame.
We're getting there.
So this is top secret and I can't let you see anymore.
All will be revealed.
Alright, so what are we doing right now?
So, we've got this back box from Thule, so we're going to attempt to put it on the car. And this is our first test at some actual manual car labour.
I hope we don't need a tow bar for this. Easier to just show you. So one of these I have to attach to the car somehow, and then this back box goes on top of it. How good are you at setting up things? Like
I'm wicked, mate.
I don't believe you for a second. I'll go get a cup of tea.
So, we need a tow bar, so we have to go to Halfords. Good start.
There's no tow bar there.
But now we need camping gear, and also we need a tow bar to put this back box on. So the plan is, we're going to go to Halfords, we're going to try and speak to the manager, and be like, do you want to hook us up with some camping gear? Have you seen us on the front of the gym? And he's going to be like, oh, I know you guys. Of course I'll hook you up. Pray for us. First we need to look the part.
So what were you doing when you were 30?
I was just trying on my dad to go into Halfords trying to get a free tent. Reckon we're getting any freebies then or what?
Well, I hope so. Yeah. I mean, we look the part. Like, you can't say no to this.
If you want the job, you gotta dress for it. Let's do this.
So it turns out that Halfords are sponsoring the NSPCC this year. So they're not working with like small local people. They've got one big charity that they put all their monies into. So it's a bit of a shame. And he's also let us know that the tow bar is going to be about 150 to £200. So we probably won't get one of those today. But we are speaking to someone in Halfords, and they have said, you know, instead of like a monetary value sponsorship, we can give you like bits and pieces. So I'll just chase her up instead.
You look so smart as well. Can't win them all, kid. Do you know what the problem with that was?
What?
Too corporate.
Nice. You get that one?
Pros.
She's dropping the shaka.
Surely one of these has got to be alright.
What's she doing now? Shaka?